A very nice good morning to all of you, the students of Standard 7. In previous video, I have already discussed about the problems of exercise 1A. Myself, Sunil Singh, is going to discuss with you about the problems that are given in exercise 1B. See, first question is given multiply. The questions that are given in of A, in which we have to care about the symbols that are given before the numbers. It means positive and negative symbols. We know that when we multiply two positive together, our product is positive. When we multiplied two negative symbols, our product is positive. But when we multiplied one positive with a negative, our product is negative. And same as when we multiplied a negative with a positive, our product is negative. So we have to carry forward the symbol in this multiplication. First question given here: multiply 16 by 9, in which when we observe, we get that these two numbers, whether the multiplicand or multiplier, both numbers are positive, so our product will be also positive. 16 multiply 9 equal to 144. Here 16 is positive, 9 is positive, so our product is positive. See question number B of 1. 18 by minus 6 equal to 18 multiply minus 6. Here we get multiplicand is 18, whereas multiplier is minus 6. So product is minus 108, because we know that plus into minus equal to minus. In such way, I have solved all questions for you. Here see question number F. Minus 35 by 0. Minus 35 into 0 equal to 0. We know that the zero property of multiplication is said that when we multiply any number by 0, our product is 0. So observe this properly. I have already solved all the questions for you. Question number 2. Find each of the following products. Here given 3 multiply 4 multiply minus 5 equal to 12. Just I have solved here for first find out the product of 3 and 4, that will be 12, and again multiply minus 5. Here positive multiply negative equal to negative. 12 multiply 5 equal to 60. So the product is minus 60. Again one question, see here. If minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiplied 5 times, just here minus 5 multiplied 5 times, it will be 3125. And we know that 5 is odd number, and when the product comes after multiplied in even numbers, we get the positive result, and when it is in odd number, we get the negative result. So 5 is a odd number, so our result will be negative. -1 multiplied 200 times. 200 times, see here, 200. 200 is even number, and so when the negative numbers multiplied together even times, the product will be positive. So 200 is even, so our product is positive. Here -1 multiplied together 17 times, our product is -1. Why? Because 17 is a odd number. 17 is an odd number, and we know that the negative number multiplied together odd times, the product will be odd numbers. See question number 4. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 19 negative integers and 9 positive integers? 90 negative integers. The sign of product of multiplying 90 negative integers equal to positive, because 90 is an even number and 9 positive integers will be positive. So positive multiply positive equal to positive. Here positive multiplied positive, the product will be positive. 5. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 103 negative integers and 65 positive integers? The sign of product for multiplying 103 negative integers will be negative, because 103 is an odd number, and 65 positive integers will be positive. So multiply negative and positive, the product will be negative, since minus multiply plus equal to minus. Simplify 6. Simplify 6. -8 multiply 9 plus -8 multiply 7. Divide it into 2 parts, in which we get -8 common in both parts. Take -8 common, remain here 9 plus remain here 7, 9 plus 7, -8, add 9 plus 7, 16, minus into minus plus equal to minus, 16, 8 into 16 equal to 128. In such way, we can take an example. Question number E. -11 into -15 plus -11 into -25. Take 2 parts, left hand side from plus and right hand side from plus. We get that -11 multiplied in both parts, so -11 will be common in both, for both, and remain -15 plus -25. -11 into -40 equal to minus plus 11 multiply 40 equal to 440. In such way, I have solved all the problems that are given in question number 6 for you. Here G, H up to H of question number 6. Question number 7. See question number 7. Fill up the blanks. According to the property of multiplication, we have to fill up the blanks. 7a minus 6 multiply dash equal to 6. It means what number should be multiplied by minus 6, so our result will be 6. Definitely here given negative number, so here we take negative. Minus 6 multiply minus 6 minus 1 equal to 6, because negative multiply negative equal to positive. Minus 18 multiply dash equal to minus 18. Definitely we know that minus into plus equal to minus. Our product is given here in the form of minus, so we have to take here the number which is multiplied with minus 18. The result will be minus 18. That number will be 1. See question number C. This is given in commutative property. In commutative property, the position of the number, the position of the digit will be changed from left hand side to right hand side. Minus 18 to minus 9 equal to minus 9 into dash. Here we fill up minus 8 according to commutative property, and also D is given in the form of commutative law. Question number E given in associative property. We have to associate the numbers what are given from left hand side to the equal and from right hand side to the equal. Minus 5 into 3 associate together multiplied minus 6 equal to minus 5 into associate together 3 multiplied minus 6. If minus 5 into dash equal to 0, we can put here 0, because we know that when we multiplied any integer by 0, we get the result 0. Question number 8. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for each question not attempted. Raman gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So solve for you question number A of it. Raman scored in class test. Given 5 marks awarded for every correct answer, and Raman gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect. 4 correct, 4 multiply 5 marks, plus 6 incorrect, 6 into minus 2. That will be 4 into 5, 20, 6 into minus 2, minus 12. So 20 plus minus 12 equal to 20 minus 12 equal to 8. It means total scored by Raman is 8. B. Renu gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? Renu scored in class test 5 correct answer, 5 into 5, and 5 incorrect answer plus 5 into minus 2. 5 into 5, that will be 25, plus 5 into minus 2, that is here minus 10. 25 plus minus 10 equal to 15. Renu scored 15 marks in her class test. C. Rini gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. Rini scored in class test 2 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. 2 into 5 that will be 10 plus 5 into minus 2 that will be minus 10. 10 plus minus 10 equal to 10 minus 10 equal to 0. It means Rini scored 0 in class test. Here 9. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? 9. The product of a positive and a negative integer is negative. We know that positive into negative equal to negative, it means plus into minus equal to minus. So this statement is true. The product of two negative integers is a negative integer. The product of two negative integer is a negative integer. This is false because the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Minus into minus equal to plus. The product of three negative integers is a negative integer. True, because minus into minus into minus equal to minus. Why? Because minus into minus equal to plus, and again plus into minus equal to minus. So this is true. Every integer when multiplied with minus 1 gives its multiplicative inverse. False. Because when we multiplied minus 1 and minus 2, minus 1 and minus 1, that will be multiplicative inverse, but minus 1 into 1, that will be minus 1. So this is incorrect statement, so that this will be false. E. Multiplication on integers is commutative. True. Multiplication on integers is associative. True. Every non-zero integer has a multiplicative inverse as an integer. True. So thank you, and I hope that you will solve all the problems by yourself, and when need to observe solution, I have already solved all the questions for you. Thank you. We will meet again in a next video. Have a nice day ahead.